and this is a square whose side is a plus b plus c, and its area is equal to a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c whole square, and this is a square whose and the square are divided into 9 parts. First part, this is a square whose side is a and its area is a square, and this is a another square whose side is b, its area is b square. Then this is also another square whose side is c and its area is c square. Then a square plus b square plus c square, and this is a rectangle, length is a and breadth is b, its area is ab, and this is a rectangle, length is b, breadth is a, its area is ab plus a plus b, ab plus ab, 2ab. Then this is a rectangle, length is c, breadth is b, its area is bc. Then this is another rectangle, breadth is b, length is c, its area is bc, bc plus bc, 2bc. And this is a rectangle, length is c, breadth is a, its area is ac. Then length is a, breadth is c, its area is ac, ac plus ac, 2ac, and henceforth.